Man, Jen, quit playing around. Tell me what you know about Jace.
All right, but first things first, touch my hand.
Nah, that's stupid.
I need to know what happens when our powers merge, okay?
Why are you still on
Do
this?
you want to find Dr. Jace or not? Brandon, do your powers do this with anybody else?
All right, that's it. That's done. Now tell me what you know about Jace.
Okay, do it one more time.
Man, stop messing around.
Let's do it one more time, and I'm gonna tell you.
You know what? You don't even know nothing about Dr. Jace. Get out.
Brandon, you need to chill out. It ain't never that serious.
Jace killed my mom. So yeah, it's that serious, Jen. And I ain't got time for your games right now. So here, get out.
Fine. It's like that, huh?
Yeah, it's like that. Don't slam my door.